The purpose of this video is so that I can experiment with having my Mavic Zoom 2 follow me on my e-bike, and I'm hoping it will work. Alright, here we go, take off. Take it up about 150 feet, let's say. That's good enough. Gonna hit the 3 dots, co-pilot, follow me. And let's see if it works. I believe it's working. I'm going to go into a wooded area here where it might not be able to see me, but hopefully it'll still track me. Real pretty in here, actually. About to cross a railroad track. Alright, there's no trespassing there, so we will turn around and head back the other way. Let's take a quick check, make sure it's got me. Yeah, it's still got me just fine. Alright, here we go. Alright, now I'm going to get here in the shade, see if I can see my screen a little bit better. Okay, I think I got it where it'll follow me and rotate around me. Maybe not. Let's try it. Not rotate around me, but follow me to the side. Based on what I can see on my iPhone screen, it looks like it's working. I just haven't figured out which joystick does what. But it looks like it's working real well. Looks like it's plenty high enough to get over the trees. think I'll turn around here so I don't get over any businesses in case, since I'm experimenting with this thing, to make sure it still works correctly. Now that I've turned around, let me see what the drone does. I see something red on the screen, but I unfortunately can't read it because the sun's too bright. See if I can read it here in the shade. Can't update the home point. Well, that's fine. I don't really care about that too much. Alright. Now let's see if we can make it orbit me. Alright, let's try that and see what happens. Yeah, this is just kind of a test because I've got a longer trip I want to make down a road. I'm not sure what it just told me right then. Might have said it's getting low on battery. We'll check it out and see. I think all it said was that it was 50% battery most likely, but I'm ready to go ahead and come land it. So I'm going to hit stop.
Stop.
Alright. Then I'm going to hit home. Well, I better not actually, because I don't know where the home is on this thing. It might have updated its...
Landing. Alert. Co-pilot disabled.
Ho, 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 yeah. Oh. All right, here we go, safely on the ground.